our caregivers are willing to sacrifice themselves to save your friends, your colleagues, your neighbors, your parents, your children. So please stay home.
So now everybody is talking about quarantine. So what are our responsibilities in this quarantine time? So one and the first and the foremost thing is to be safe. How can we be safe? One is maintaining social distance, another one is maintaining personal hygiene. Personal hygiene includes washing hands repeatedly, sanitizing it, not touching our nose, mouth, eyes, which I generally used to do. Thanks to Corona, now I stopped doing that, without washing your hands. And what are the other responsibility which we could tiny bit of contribution towards the society? Another thing what we can do is support nation. Now support nation sounds really big, but if you look at it in a small way, say take it in our house, we have domestic help, we have maid, cook coming to our house. Now since we are on self-quarantine, we have asked them not to come. So now you'll be thinking, whether should I pay them or no? They are the class of people who are soul and whole dependent on our salary. So first and foremost responsibility of us would be paying them. Irrespective of whether we get paid or no, it's a petty money which we pay them. So why don't we pay them? And second thing what we can do is spreading awareness about social distancing. Now in my colony itself, I see people gathering in a group as if it's a summer holiday. It is not summer holiday, guys. This is quarantine time. Government has announced lockdown for some reason. It is our responsibility to maintain social distancing for our safety and for others. Now we see people being diagnosed without symptoms. So this is even scarier. If you say your immunity is good, and you say you are a lion and go for a hunt without being scared of corona, what about others? Say I am asymptomatic, I go out and meet 4 other people and then give this to others. Their immunity is lower than mine, so the effect of this being them will be bad, and whole and soul you will be responsible. So why can't we take some responsibility towards nation, towards ourselves and towards our family, and make the best use of quarantine time and stay safe and follow all the guidelines from government, because they have thought about it and set guidelines to us. Thank you, Jai Hind.